Jay Shetty once said, "You cannot be what you cannot see," and I completely agree. Life teaches us through experiences, challenges, and people we meet along the way. If someone would have told me few years back that I would be here where I am right now, stronger, more self-aware, and passionate about my career, I might have doubted them. But here I am, embracing my journey and learning from every twist and turns. Hey everyone, my name is Yashashvi Srivastav and I am gonna take you on a journey, a roller coaster ride of my life so far. From personal growth and struggles to incredible experiences like World Book Fair and Adi Mahotsav. This journey has been full of ups and downs. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Looking back, I realized how much I have changed, not just in terms of my career goals, but also as a person. There was a time when I doubted myself, when I was afraid of stepping out of my comfort zone, but life has its own way of pushing you forward. One of the biggest lessons I have learned is that growth comes from discomfort. Whether it was taking on leadership roles in college, presenting ideas in front of a crowd, or even hitting the gym as a beginner, every small step contributed to my transformation journey. But growth doesn't come without struggles. Facing health issues like my recent kidney stone diagnosis and recovering from a road accident made me realize how fragile life is. These experiences taught me to prioritize my well being, practice self love, and never take anything for granted. I am no longer the same person I was a year ago. I have learned to embrace challenges, value my journey, and stay committed to becoming the best version of myself. Walking into the World Book Fair felt like stepping into a universe of stories, ideas, and endless possibilities. Every stall had a unique energy, some filled with classic literature, others showcasing bold new voices in publishing. But beyond the books, what truly fascinated me were the minds behind them, the publishers, authors, and creative thinkers shaping the industry. One of the most insightful moments of the fair was my conversation with Richa Jha, an author and publisher at Pickle Yog Books. She shared the reality of the publishing world, how high printing costs make it tough to achieve ROI, and why the key to sustaining a publishing business isn't just profit but passion. She explained that quality storytelling is what attracts readers. Even in a market where digital content is taking over, her words stayed with me. Sometimes it's not just about chasing money, it's about believing in the stories you want to tell. And then came a moment I will never forget, meeting Deepa Malik, a woman of sheer resilience, a Para-Olympic champion, a true inspiration. Holding an autographed book from her wasn't just about having a signed copy. It was about holding a piece of wisdom, a reminder that no obstacle is big enough if you have the courage to push forward. From the world of books, I found myself immersed in the heart of India's tribal culture at Adi Mahotsav. It wasn't just an exhibition, it was a journey through the soul of our country. Every corner had something to teach. Whether it was the intricate craftsmanship of tribal jewelry, the real time art of the tribals, and the beauty of the place. Watching artisans create magic with their hands made me appreciate the patience and skill that goes into traditional craftsmanship. In a world moving towards mass production, these handmade crafts hold a different kind of value, a reminder of our roots, our history, and the beauty of human touch in art. Adi Mahotsav wasn't just an event, it was a celebration of identity, resilience, and cultural pride. It reminded me that learning isn't just in books or classrooms, it's in experiences, in stepping into someone else's world, in appreciating the little details we often overlook. The Word Book Fair taught me the power of stories. Adi Mahotsav revealed the beauty of heritage, and together they helped me discover a deeper part of myself. Life's been a roller coaster, but I am embracing the ride, hustling for placements, gearing up for my summer internship, diving into research, and chasing new opportunity in marketing. So, if you are going through challenges, remember it is just a phase. Keep pushing forward, keep believing in yourself, and most importantly, enjoy the ride. So, if you found my journey relatable or inspiring, like, share, and subscribe. Let's connect and let's grow together.